Nordstrom Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a frequent shopper at Nordstrom, you might have wondered whether the Nordstrom credit card is really worth it in 2025. The surprising truth is that while many people assume it's just a store card with limited perks, when used strategically, it can actually unlock significant rewards, exclusive access, and a level of shopping convenience most customers overlook. Today, we'll break down every detail you need to know, step by step, so you can decide whether to keep it or skip it. Let's start with the basics. The Nordstrom credit card comes in two main versions, the Nordstrom Retail Card and the Nordstrom Visa. The Retail Card is only usable at Nordstrom stores and Nordstrom.com, while the Visa can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. Most people don't realize the Visa version combines the store-specific perks with general spending flexibility, making it a powerful option if you're looking for both store rewards and wider utility. First, let's talk about rewards. Both cards earn points in the Nordstrom loyalty program. As a basic point of comparison, every dollar spent at Nordstrom earns you 1 point. And as you accumulate points, you move through the Nordy Club tiers: Insider, Influencer, Ambassador, and Icon. Each tier comes with increasing benefits such as access to private events, early access to sales, anniversary gifts, and alterations credits. Most people overlook the cumulative value of these tiers, but for frequent shoppers, the perks can easily translate to hundreds of dollars in savings and extras over a year. Now, the Nordstrom Retail Card shines when it comes to double points promotions. The store regularly offers events where cardholders can earn double, triple, or even quadruple points on purchases, especially during anniversary sales or seasonal events. These promotions can quickly accelerate your point accumulation, and savvy shoppers combine them with planned purchases to maximize value. For instance, buying higher-ticket items like designer shoes or handbags during double points events can yield thousands of points, which can then be redeemed for Nordstrom notes that act like cash for future purchases. The Visa version also offers extra perks outside the store. In addition to earning points at Nordstrom, you earn 1 point per dollar on everyday purchases outside the store. This might not sound like a lot compared to dedicated cashback cards, but when paired with Nordstrom's promotions and tiered rewards, it can make your card more versatile. Plus, the Visa is accepted widely, meaning you don't have to carry multiple cards just to maximize benefits. Another element that most people underestimate is the anniversary gift. As you move up Nordy Club tiers, your anniversary gift becomes more valuable. These gifts can range from beauty products to exclusive items worth hundreds of dollars if redeemed wisely. Many cardholders fail to account for this hidden value when evaluating the card's worth, but for frequent Nordstrom shoppers, it adds tangible value beyond the points themselves. Now, let's discuss fees and APR. Both the Nordstrom Retail Card and the Visa come with no annual fee, which is a major plus compared to other rewards cards. However, like many store cards, the interest rate can be high if you carry a balance. That's why the key to maximizing value is simple: pay off your purchases in full each month. The rewards and perks are most beneficial when you aren't losing money to interest. Remember, the card is a tool for smart shoppers, not a credit crutch. One area where the Nordstrom credit card really shines is exclusive access. Cardholders often get early access to major sales, private shopping events, and special promotions. Most people get this wrong by assuming everyone can participate, but many of these events are invite-only for cardholders or higher-tier members. This access can save hundreds of dollars during peak shopping seasons like the Nordstrom anniversary sale or holiday promotions. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you spend $1,500 on clothing, shoes, and beauty items during a double points event as an Insider member. Normally, you'll earn 1,500 points, but during a double points promotion, that becomes 3,000 points. Nordstrom points typically convert to $1 per 2,000 points when redeemed as Nordstrom notes. In this example, you would be roughly halfway to earning $15 in Nordstrom notes just from a single event. Now, consider that as you move up tiers and take advantage of multiple promotions throughout the year, it's easy to accumulate $200, $500 in rewards and benefits annually. Another strategic tip is using the card for gifts. Many Nordstrom cardholders buy gift cards during promotions or double points events. This way, you're earning points or bonus Nordstrom notes while purchasing gifts you would buy anyway. It's a simple way to leverage promotions without increasing spending. Now, let's address the cons. The main limitation of the retail card is its restricted use. It's only accepted at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack. If you're looking for a card that offers cash back or rewards on groceries, gas, or travel. This card alone won't suffice. That's where the Visa version is helpful, as it allows for broader use. Still, the point accumulation outside Nordstrom is slower, so if your spending is primarily outside the store, you might not get as much value compared to a flat-rate cashback card. Another common mistake is not tracking the Nordy Club tier benefits. Many cardholders forget to redeem perks like free alterations, early access, or anniversary gifts. The value of the card is cumulative. If you neglect these benefits, you're leaving money on the table. The trick is to plan your purchases and redemptions strategically to extract the maximum value over time. Fraud protection is another consideration. Like most major credit cards, the Nordstrom Visa provides zero liability protection for unauthorized charges. This gives cardholders peace of mind, especially when shopping online. The retail card also offers strong security features but is limited in use. Pairing the Visa with mobile wallet options like Apple Pay or Google Wallet further enhances security and convenience. Let's talk long-term value. The card's real power lies in frequent Nordstrom shoppers who plan purchases around sales and promotions. Casual shoppers might not see significant value if they only spend occasionally. However, for those who consistently purchase clothing, shoes, beauty products, and home items, the points, tiered benefits, and exclusive access can significantly offset costs. Over several years, this can equate to substantial savings and added perks, particularly for higher-tier members. Additionally, Nordstrom occasionally partners with other programs for cross-promotions. For instance, they may offer bonus points for specific brands or categories, adding another layer of earning potential. Being aware of these promotions and aligning your spending accordingly is a simple yet effective strategy to boost rewards without extra spending. So, who should consider this card? If you shop at Nordstrom frequently, value exclusive events, and want to maximize rewards, the Nordstrom credit card, especially the Visa version, is a strong choice. It's also ideal if you enjoy early access to sales and appreciate tiered loyalty benefits. If you combine this card with other rewards cards, you can create a powerful system where Nordstrom purchases earn high-value points, while general spending elsewhere continues to earn cash back or other rewards. Who should leave it? If you rarely shop at Nordstrom, prefer simplicity, or carry balances month to month, the card might not be worth it. The benefits are optimized for frequent shoppers who are proactive about managing promotions, redeeming perks, and paying off balances. Otherwise, other rewards or cashback cards could deliver better value. Now, let's summarize. The Nordstrom credit card in 2025 offers flexible rewards, exclusive tiered benefits, early access to sales, and strategic earning opportunities. Its true value comes from frequent, thoughtful shopping combined with proactive management of promotions and loyalty benefits. While the retail card is limited in use, the Visa version expands flexibility while retaining the powerful store perks. In conclusion, the Nordstrom credit card is worth it if you're a dedicated shopper who wants to maximize points, gain exclusive access, and enjoy Nordy Club benefits. It rewards planning, loyalty, and strategic shopping. If you're willing to engage actively with the card, it can generate hundreds of dollars in value each year without any annual fee.